Welcome back to The Metal Finisher. Today we are going to start with a little comedy routine from our friend Mitch. Then we are going to relay some safety tips so you can put yourself in the best position to stay healthy while we deal with the coronavirus.
Make sure you stress that we are passing along info that we have heard from medical professionals.
Okay. Now, let's bring out my brother from a different father. Mitch, take it away, playa.
I'm kind of nervous, being in the presence of such greatness.
Woo!
I contacted Dustless Blasting to get a quote for a nozzle. They sent me an email that had a price with a line through it. Below that, they put a price a little bit less. So I replied to their email. I wrote, "Whack you." Then I put a line through it. Below that, I wrote, "No thanks."
Woo!
I used to blast with a number 40 nozzle. Now I use an XL.
I don't get it.
Because you're an idiot.
I used to hate sponge blasting. I still do. But I used to, too.
Okay. That's not nice.
Okay, before I leave you, I heard that during these hard times, Sean from Blue Dog is working from home. He wanted to find a way to be useless in 2 locations at the same time.
Oh, hell no, bitch. Or Mitch. Whatever your name is.
Okay.
Get to stepping, funny boy.
Okay, Sean. Let's review a few tips to keep people healthy.
Go for it.
Hands. Wash them often.
Elbow. Cough into it.
Face. Don't touch it.
Space. Keep a safe distance.
Home. Stay home if you can.
All right, guys. That's it for today. See you next time.
Stay safe, players.